If you're like most practice owners, keeping your team focused is a constant labor of love, and in this video, I'm going to give you my 3 best tips to get them laser focused. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Frogley, CEO and co-founder of BlueIQ, an amazing analytics software that helps teams be laser focused. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your data to help your team really deliver every day as they show up to the practice to move your vision forward. And the first tip is not a BlueIQ tip, it's just a really good business tip as you are a business owner, you're running a business, and every business needs what we call an organizational chart. I see so many practices who hire employees and you've got a laundry list of roles and duties that need to be done every day, right? So we start training on do this, do that, and as the practice grows and gets busier, your team's skill becomes, pretty broad. They can help over here on, physiotherapy. They can come over here and help with some paperwork. They can help with scheduling. They can answer phones. They can do some billing. And that's what happens when we're small. But as your team scales, your focus should narrow on the roles and duties for each team member. In fact, we break them up into the org chart into systems. A team member fits into a system or across a couple systems, and it's that system that actually owns the roles and duties. As a team member understands that and they actually visually see the org chart, they understand where their name fits on that. Then the second tip is that system produces a very specific measurable product. We call that a KPI, a key performance indicator. And the measurement of that KPI is measuring the volume, the quality of the product that system is delivering. Oh my gosh, then it's very easy to snap a team member's focus back on self-reflection, self-responsibility, self-actualization of how well am I doing at delivering this product each and every day. It's not just did I check the boxes, it's not did I get my call list done for the day, it's did I actually produce the volume and quality of the KPI today. And that's the power of measuring these things, and we automated it in BlueIQ, which makes it really fun. In fact, my third tip is to gamify the process. So we have our org chart, we've broken it down into systems. Each system's measured by a product, a KPI, and now we gamify that by making it fun for the team member to actually set goals. You'd agree with me, goal setting is one of the most powerful things that we can do to move an organization forward. When we believe in those goals, when they align with our core values, when they connect to a vision, it's that daily process of doing things right that add up to amazing weeks and amazing months of hitting those monthly goals. So the gamification process is tying that goal to an incentive. Is this a monthly incentive that if they hit that goal, they get a reward, a bonus? Do we celebrate that through acknowledgement? Are you actually writing a thank you card to the team member when they hit that daily goal? The power of BlueIQ is taking that monthly goal and breaking it down to the daily goal based upon the hours that your practice is open that day. And when the team member clearly sees that and they know what they need to hit that day, they think backwards. They don't get lost by busy work in the rest of the practice. They stay focused on the very thing that they're going to get rewarded for, which in the end is the very thing that's going to move your practice forward and help you hit the new benchmarks, the new goals, the growth, the vision that continues to progress. This is the magic of a team coming together, laser focused on the very things that are going to help you become the practice you've always dreamed of having. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell for notifications so you immediately get notified that new content is coming out. And If you really need help on building your organization, understanding these charts and roles and duties, we actually have an 8-week course called the Profit Accelerator course. The Profit Accelerator course gives you the templates for your organizational charts. It already has defined roles and duties with the KPIs attached. It even gives you a template to design your reward system. And you get some one-on-one work with your success coach to walk you through the process to get everything set up to help your team be focused on those day-to-day activities. So click the link below, and in 8 short weeks, you could be on your way to building that practice of your dreams. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.